What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Partygoers from the Backrooms. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page we're going to draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, go all the way around and then back up. Now leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right side. Let's add a small dot in the center of each eye for the pupils. Now we're going to add those slits around the eyes. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up. Go to the right side, come in and up towards a point. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. On the left, bend this in and then down. We're going to repeat those steps over on the right eye. Now I want to fill the inside of the slits in black, going around the iris. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw in a large smile. We're going to start over on the left side, curve this down, and we're going to bend that in toward the center. We want to create a little rounded point for the mouth, going out, then back up towards the right side, towards the same height. Let's add a little gap across the mouth, starting back on the left, come down lower across the middle. I'm just going to curve across, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's add a thick bracket around the corners of the mouth. So we're going to step in, going up, come around, down towards the neck, and then pull that in towards the chin. Let's take that same shape and flip it over on the right. Going around the corner of the mouth, going down the side, and then we'll bend that in. Let's close off the top of the head. From here, we're going to bend this up and in, across the middle, and then down towards the right. Now let's go back and add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. And I want to add the teeth inside. And start in the center. We're going to draw a V coming down and up toward the left, and then the right. Let's continue to add these pointed teeth going all the way around the mouth. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill those bottom points in black. Now we're going to add a fold across the side of the mouth. Let's start from the top corner, bend this out, and then down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's add a fold underneath the mouth. Starting on the left, goes down across the middle, and then up. Let's step down, draw a longer curve. Coming down, and then up. We're going to add some folds across the side of the neck. Starting on the left, bend this out, come down and in. Line this up on the right side. Let's do that again. Stepping over, going out, and then in. Let's add some more folds across the body. We're going to start up here, coming down lower in the middle, then up. Let's do that again. Stepping all the way over. Start by coming in and then down, across the body, then up and then out. Now just underneath that fold, we're going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips on both sides. Now let's move to the inside and draw the rib cage. Starting on the left, start by curving down and up, come down and then out. From the hips, we're going to step in, step all the way down, add a curve, going up and down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet. And come down and then up on both sides. Let's go back up to the hips and curve the outside of the leg. Then it's out, all the way down towards the bottom. And then we want to separate the toes with two curves on either side. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the body, step down, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then out. And we'll tuck the arms in underneath. We're going to step over, bend the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. And I'm going to point the thumbs coming down. So back on left, coming down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's add that first finger. From here, bend this out and then down. Round up the tip of the finger, and it's up and then in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's layer 2 more fingers on either side. Starting on the left, then it's out, up, and in. And do that one more time. Going out, up, and then in towards the wrist. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to these folds and draw the outside of the arm. Let's start up here, then it's out, and then pull that down towards the wrist. Let's finish off by adding some teeth across the inside of that finger. So on the left, we're going to add 1 point. Let's add a couple more coming in towards the thumb. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Partygoers from the Backrooms. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you can share your artwork with me inside the Sketch Club on School. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.